What's going on, everyone? Education today is all about being prepared. Look at me, I got my hoodie on. You know why? Because I was prepared for this cold weather. It always comes this time of year, and it's freezing. But I don't want to get up and be cold and go to the store and then have to get clothes and yada, 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 right? I have it in my closet. It's in the back end where I normally don't go, but I'm prepared for it. So when you're buying or selling, but you're not ready now, are you prepared? If you have time, you should be prepared. If you're buying a house, talk to a lender. Get everything ready. Know what you have to do with your taxes and your credit because you are going to be prepared. If you're a seller, get your stuff taken care of. If you need us to clean the carpets and the tile and you got to move stuff around and you have to do this so you can get ready for the pictures, you should always be prepared. So this weather's a perfect example for an education. It's like, I'm prepared for the weather. I'm ready. I got my hoodie. I'm excited. I get to wear a hoodie. Be prepared for buying or selling. Be prepared for your real estate needs. I'm Karen. Happy Cold Monday.